Hello all, I am Dr. Tejinder Kaur Sarna, a lifestyle nutritionist, and I will be talking about childhood obesity and the role of parents in childhood obesity. I can say that the nutrition begins in the womb. So when a lady conceives a child, the nutrition is deciding factor for the child's birth and his nutrition throughout the life. I have often seen that parents are the culprit for childhood obesity and then they blame the environmental factors for the same. Parents set a very wrong example in front of their children. Today, I will be discussing the 5 major mistakes that parents do in bringing up their children and then ending up in childhood obesity. Parents, they set a wrong example in front of their children. Many a times, parents do not go out for physical activity, they do not play with their children, and then the child also get up this habit of not going out and playing around, and then the child ends up in obesity. Furthermore, at times it happens that parents are too busy with their work shifts, and in a city like Mumbai where both the parents are working, they actually do not let their child go out of the home once they are inside. Since they have not seen their child for the entire day, they want to see their child in front of them, and so they end up loading their children with gadgets. You play on this gadget but don't go out. Again, the child is turning into obese. The third major thing, socialization and industrialization. Parents do socialization a lot, and that is very important also. But due to this, the children are affected. The money power has gone up, and these fast food items are just available at a click of a phone. And parents leave the children to the maids when they go out, and children are very smart. 30 minutes and they have pizzas at their home, they have burgers at their home. So parents have to be very careful while seeing what their children are eating when they are not there. Serving them with healthy food items, providing them healthy food options is a major role. There is one more thing, that parents do not play with their children. Maybe the parents are too busy, maybe they are on social media too much, and this habit goes to the children very nicely, and the children are also playing on these videos, these medias a lot. So I request all the parents to at least play thrice a week with their children. It can be cricket, it can be badminton, or it can be just swimming, or it can be just jogging around. And last but not the least, parents should take their children out for a healthy weekends. I can say that today's world is very busy and everybody needs to work, but spending time with your children is very important. So I request all the parents to at least spend a weekend with their children, playing out on a countryside. Take your cricket bats, take your badmintons, go out and play with your children. Be healthy so that your children can follow this. Thank you. If you like this video, kindly like and subscribe.